We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not responding to touch. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're finding your screen is not responding to touch. This can be a frustrating problem because you want to be able to go and use it, of course, and you're unable to. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Just make sure if you've got a screen protector on here that it's properly down and on your iPhone. If it's old and it's starting to peel, that can go and cause problems. So it is worth removing that. If that doesn't solve it, let's try performing a forced restart to go and refresh things. Press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Keep that held down. Shortly, the phone screen will go black. If your iPhone is currently frozen, you won't see the screen. It will remain the same. Keep it held down when you see the Apple icon release, and now it's going to go and start. When it comes back on, hopefully now it's working.